October 31st, 1991, and meteorologists predicted that there would be a few inches of snow that would impact Halloween for Minnesota children. What actually occurred was truly a phenomenon. Over a 3-day period, 30 feet of snow fell down on parts of Minnesota, but in true Minnesota spirit, this did not affect the children and parents of Minnesota. Children dressed up in their costumes over their snow gear and headed out for the snowiest Halloween in history. Backing up a couple of days to October 29th, it was a chilly day and a warm front was coming in from the south. Meteorologists forecasted that this warm front would collide with a Canadian cold front and bam! Down came the snow. Not much change in the field of meteorology due to this phenomenon, but all parts of the state were impacted. Where did it go?
What'd you do?
I didn't do anything.
You have to do it again. You hit the wrong button.
Darn. I think something appeared over it though. Oh, the computer. Oh, I got it. Back to the front.
Let's try it again. This time, just push pause, but don't push anything else. Okay, let me do it then next time. I think now that I understand what she's talking about with this, I think we need to. Okay, I think we need to kind of like what we did at the other point where we were like, hello, and welcome to ABC News. This day in weather history. It was October 31st. This is supposed to be like a news flash.
Oh, yeah.
How did I start that? Hello, welcome back.
I have no clue.
Hello, and welcome back to ABC News. This day in weather
Recorded with a few It no appeal.
Okay. I have class starting again in a little bit. Let's do it again later. Hi, Makayo. All right. So if you want to get started early, you're more than welcome. You're gonna follow just like yesterday. You'll move into your breakout room and turn on your talk button. Log into the testing site. We're taking the reading test this time. Make sure you don't click Spanish. Do the regular reading, and then click the Stride ELA course. And the link to the testing sites in the chat area. It's also in your breakout room. All right, I think you should be able to move yourselves now. All right, go ahead, Makayo. You can go into your breakout room now. Hold on, do you have a breakout room? I might have to make you one, hold on. Which one, what do you mean? What? Oh, it's the top one, the Stride ELA. All right, Micaiah, I'm going to send you to your breakout room, okay? Go ahead, Hafsa. Oh, I couldn't hear that. Yep. All right, now go ahead and application share and turn back on your talk button before you start the test. All right, now you can click OK. All right, good luck. Hi, girls. Go ahead, Io. Hi, Jenna. Go ahead, Io. Hello? I can't hear you. All right, Jenna, we're going to go into your breakout room. Okay, Jenna, go ahead and application share your desktop with me. So share your desktop. Remember how to do that? Remember how to share your desktop? Okay, there you go. All right, now in the chat area, I just put the link to the test. Yep, I can hear you. I can hear you. All right, go back down to the purple circle. Get to the chat area. Click on the link. There you go. All right, click I'm a student. And then to log in, you're going to put in your student ID number. So you're going to type in 27. That's okay, I have it right here. 271. Yep, type in 271 6061. Okay, now your password is going to be your first name. So it's going to be Jenna Stein, but don't capitalize the J. Jenna Steen. Sorry, I'm so used to calling you Jenna. And then after your first name, you're going to put 061. So Jenna Steen 061. Oh, okay. 061 or 061. There you go. Now log in. All right. And then star reading is the very first tile at the top. Yep, that one with the blue. You want the blue one. And then just for the class, click the very top one. Oh, maybe the middle one. Maybe click Stride ELA. There you go. I think it's the middle one. Do the middle one. Yep. All right. Good luck. Try your best. Leave your talk button on. Hi, Io. I can hear you now. Go ahead and just click on your Stride ELA. I don't think it makes a difference what class you choose, but whatever. Be consistent. Middle one.